draw a triangle, you don't know exactly what it looks like because you don't know the other angles, so don't get too caught up on like what does the angle look like. Okay. Also, don't get caught up on who you call A, who you call B, who you call C. It doesn't matter. Okay, so just stick to whatever you say. So I'm gonna call it like this, ABC. Now, what does matter a lot though is that you put those numbers in the right place. So for example, with my B corner, my B angle, this needs to be 45. That does matter a lot. Okay. My side A, remember A prime, that little dash with the A, that's your side A. So that's across from angle A. That should be 28. And across from angle B is side B. That should be 27. And they want angle A, so they want this right here. Okay. By the way, what is this before we start? I know I want to start already. Me too. I was about to do sine A over sine. But before you do that, you have to analyze it because later it's going to matter. Right? So it says side, side angle, angle, side angle. What is this? Side, side angle. Okay, look. Side, side angle. Okay. Guys, the reason you need to do that is because when we throw out in the other problems, you start doing law of sines and it won't work. Okay, if it's not that type of problem. So you have to know which one to use. Okay. What fractions should we use for sure, for sure? A, B, or C? A and B. Okay, so B because it's complete, and A because that's what you're looking for. Yeah, that's how you pick. Okay, so I'm going to do sine of angle A. Oops, I won't have space there. So let me write it right here. Side of angle A over side A. If you put B first, that's completely fine. Okay. Over, let me write this down real quick. And equals sine 45 over side 27. Should we flip these fractions? No. Okay, if you flip them, you're going to make your life much harder. All you need to do this is get rid of that 28. So you're dividing by 28, you multiply by 28. That leaves you with sine A. A is an angle. So I know I'm like a broken record, but how do you solve for an angle? Inverse. Okay, so angle A equals the inverse sine of this stuff. 28 times sine 45. I suggest you put that 28, like that number you're multiplying by, on the front so you don't accidentally end up multiplying the 45 times the 28 and you're making this huge angle on your calculator by accident. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. After that, you should be able to just type it all into your calculator. And what angle are you getting, guys? 47.2? Is that what I heard? Jesus, is that what you got? Okay. So degrees, okay, because we're looking for degrees. Remember, alpha y equals makes it look like a fraction. Questions, guys? Pretty easy, right, so far? Okay. More powerful than SOHCAHTOA. Okay. So you could do this with the SOHCAHTOA problems too, like some of you that are doing grade recovery and stuff. If you want to use this stuff on the old stuff, you can. It does work on that. Okay, last one.